This is the original Snap N Strain, designed and manufactured by Kitchen Gizmo. This fine mesh strainer is easy to use and makes the perfect kitchen accessory. It is sure to stand out among other basic strainers, kitchen colander, and accessories. Quality material. Apart from being stylish and compact, it adds a lot of value in terms of practicality and functionality of its silicone covering, proving to be an overall excellent kitchen accessory. Universal design. The specially designed clips easily snap onto round pots, pans, and bowls of all sizes, including lipped bowls. Save time by straining while the food stays in the pot. Space saving. This small, compact strainer is easy to use and store in a quarter the size of the traditional colander or sieve. This strainer for cooking is great when working with limited counter space. A kitchen must-have package includes. This package includes 1 Snap N Strain strainer, gray. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.